Good day, everybody. Mike Flores here, your local Las Cruces Realtor and new home expert. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we're going to tour an 1,145 square foot home, brand new in Las Cruces. This home is going for $239 and does have some incentives. I can't wait to show this to you. Take a look at this. Outside landscaping, you got a couple of desert bushes. These are actually native plants. You have an ocotillo here as well, and I think these are either red or yellow yuccas. All gravel in the front, very, very simple to maintenance. Synthetic grade stucco, you have a really light base with a darker contrasting brown, and they did this really cool patterns, kind of an X pattern with a salt finish all the way down. This is a brand new area. In fact, folks, if you were to look this way, you're gonna see all the construction, and you're gonna see some construction this way. So if you're looking for new homes in Las Cruces near everything and want to be at about $239, homes are completely pitched from front to back, all the way across. They're shingle homes. The 12 by 12 floor laid in straight lay. Looks like there's only carpet in the bedrooms. Let's take a look. There's fans. This is a really, really nice layout. I did one of these recently and it was kind of a flipped version of this one. Really nice. Blinds are included, fans are included. And at $239, I'll tell you, that's not bad at all. Nice closets. Very nice. Very monochromatic tone as well. Notice there's not a lot of contrast between the doors and the trim. Oh, look at this. The modern fan, you even got a remote control. It's very nice. Looks like we have a linen closet. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves. And then first guest bathroom, 3 centimeter thick granite, undermounted rectangular sinks. You have satin nickel fixins. This is almost a frameless mirror, but it has almost like a piece down here that's going to be satin nickel. You got that granite riser. You got all the hardware. It looks like the cabinetry is a stained gray. This is very nice. I think this is a really pretty color too. It's like a tannish color. Kind of ties it all in. You have gray, you have creams, you have a little bit of tan. Really nice Delta faucets. All LED. This home is going to be ultra energy efficient, of course. With that 2x6, that's a big deal. And the home is very well balanced. You have your jumper duct there. You have your heating and cooling vent here. Of course, you got your window there. And this window does operate just like the front one. Let's take a look at the closets. Okay. And if you ever see something like this, folks, that's usually going to be an access point for a plumber to get to like where a tub is. Instead of having to tear a hole in your wall in case there's an emergency or a leak, they can just open that right up and be able to access that. That's what you'll see those in a lot of homes, especially nowadays. So 1,145 square feet. Look at the one-car garage. This is cool. That's about an 8-foot ceiling there. You got about a 7-foot garage door. I mean, plenty for a smaller car, a couple motorcycles. Whatever you like. It's already pre-wired. This is going to be a manhole there. That's going to give you access to the actual attic space. And you have your water heater here, and there's your access down there to shut it off if you ever need to shut off the water in the home. That's where you would do it. There's also one in the front patio or in the front landscaping that you can shut off the entire house, but if you just shut that one off, it doesn't affect the outside water. It only affects the inside water. So recessed lights here. Beautiful cabinetry, same kind of cabinetry we saw in the first bathroom. You got the hardware all the way across. You got handles for drawers and knobs for doors. Really nice crown molding. For being a smaller home, this is a very adequate space, and it's finished off like some of the nicer homes. You still got the granite, you still got the stainless steel appliances. Of course, if you need a fridge, we do have incentives. We can get you an incentive right away, or we can use that towards closing costs, or a combination of both. I just love this crown molding. It is so clean all the way across. And then you have open shelving right above the sink. Plenty of plugins. Of course, garbage disposal and all that's down there as well. Your dishwasher. And then this would be dining room / living room space. You got your fan. You know what really caught me was that door. That door has blinds, but the blinds are in the glass. So you have like this little control here that you can slide up and down. That'll give you privacy. I think that's way better than what I normally see, because usually you have trouble with this if you have blinds on the door. Nice little backyard, got a little patio. No one behind you. There's actually a path below us. You still got about 20 or 30 feet to the bike path here, and then you have like a ditch or a irrigation ditch, and then back there is going to be empty land. I assume someday that'll probably be developed for something, I'm sure. Nice rock walls all the way around, wrought iron gates on both sides. There's your hose bib there, plug in, and a couple lights out back. I mean, for $239, folks, not bad. Property taxes on this are just over 1%. If you have certain exemptions like age or military, you do actually get below the 1%. Nice little laundry room, ready for electric. Got your hot and cold in your plug-in. A couple of access points, I see one right there. And going into the master bedroom. Got the view of the backyard, I like that. You can actually see a little bit of the mountains over there. There's the Doña Ana's. Kind of gives you an idea of where we are. We're very close to Albertsons on North Main if you want to look it up on a map. On a street called Chitamacha. Nice little closet. This one does have a jumper duct as well, and then you have your heating and cooling over this way. And then a very adequate master bathroom. 3 centimeter thick granite, stained cabinetry, satin nickel everything. Same kind of tile we saw in the guest bath. Got your robe hook, and you got your towel hooks and stuff. Place for your rags. Beautiful. Well, this is an example that you don't need a giant home to have something really nice, energy efficient, and super clean.